Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to save all of your stored passwords from Google Chrome and Edge. So just in case you're worried about losing them, this is a really good way of going about doing it, and it's quick and easy. So go ahead and open up Google, click the three dots at the very top, go down to Google Password Manager, click on Settings, and then right here under Export Passwords, go ahead and click Download File and select your location. I'm going to select desktop so that I can show you that it's there. Click Save. And when you open this, you will see all of your stored passwords inside there. Go ahead and try it out. I'm going to show you how to do an Edge now. So Edge is very similar. Just go up to the three dots, go to Settings, then go to Profiles, and then you're going to go down to Passwords. And then right here with the three dots over in the middle here, click that and just click Export Passwords, and then click Export Passwords. And I usually just leave it the same. Select your file location like you did before. I'm going to select desktop again, and I'm going to hit Save. And now I'm going to close this out. And there you have it. Both of them are right there, ready to go, and should contain all of your passwords. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.